Hello, partners. Hello, brothers. Hello, sisters.
Hello, bro. Good
All
evening.
right.
Good evening,
Hello.
sis and bro.
Hello. All right. There are some of you that have been joining, ya guys. There are Bro Abdul Halim. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Bro Coco.
All
How are
right.
you?
I'm very good. Yeah. Okay, Bro Abdul Halim. Anyway, where are you from, bro? Can I know?
I'm from Surabaya.
Surabaya. Oh, I see. That's the capital city of East Java, yeah, bro.
Right.
We are same in a same province, bro. I'm from Kediri, East Java, ya.
Java, Pare, right?
Ah, Pare. Do you know Pare, kampung Inggris?
Yes, I know. Pondok Kediri, Lirboyo.
Lirboyo. Oh, my house is from Lirboyo. Maybe just 1 minute, bro. Just 1 minute. Yeah, just 1 minute, yeah. Lirboyo, and then a minute, yeah. My house. That's it. If you visit Lirboyo, if you visit Pare, Kediri, so you can come to my home, bro.
Okay, inshallah.
Right. And everybody, yeah, all of you guys, yeah, if you visit Kediri, so you can contact me, and yeah, we can have a Kediri tour, yeah. So I will guide you guys if I have a time, I have a chance, yeah, of course, yeah, I will accompany you. Okay, enjoy everything, everybody. All right, so guys, yeah, this is the second meeting that we have, and yesterday we talked about introduce longer and clearer, but for today we are going to talk more. It's about food, ya guys. Hari ini kita akan ngobrol banyak tentang food or culinary. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready for it?
Yes,
I'm ready.
yes,
I'm ready.
Let's go. Okay, then let's go to the slides that we have, and it's about food. Food, yeah. All right. Food is what is food, guys? Food is
Makanan.
food is makanan. Yeah. Okay, then makanan. Okay. So, guys, what comes up to your mind when someone says about culinary? What comes up? Comes up itu muncul tiba-tiba, ya. Jadi apa yang muncul tiba-tiba on your mind, to your mind, di pikiranmu, ya, when someone says about culinary. Ketika seseorang mengatakan tentang kuliner. Is it about food? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
yes,
Yes, right?
Yes.
Is it about flavor, cita rasa? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Is it about nutrition? Nutrition?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yeah? All right. Do you prefer the delicious food or the healthy food?
Delicious.
Both of them.
Delicious
Healthy
food.
food.
Delicious food. After eating, thinking about nutrition.
Okay, so
Healthy food.
yummy is the first one. Yummy is the first one, yeah? I see. The delicious one or the healthy one? Some of you say delicious first. Some of you, some others, yeah? The healthy first. Okay. Yeah.
Healthy first.
Healthy, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So which one do you choose, guys? Do you choose salad or do you choose pizza? Which one? Salad.
When I'm younger, I choose pizza. When I'm older, choose salad.
Just okay. All right. Okay. So which one do you choose, guys? Coffee or juice?
Juice.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Okay. Coffee, yeah. Okay. Okay. Ice cream or tomato juice? Ice cream or tomato juice?
Tomato juice.
Ice cream.
Tomato juice.
Tomato juice.
Okay.
Or
Or maybe ice cream first and then tomato juice. Which one? No. Still tomato,
the both
yeah.
delicious.
Okay, delicious is the first. Okay, majority, yeah, guys. Most of people choose the delicious one, but actually the healthy one is the most, yeah. So that's the most important.
Yes.
Yeah, we have to make a balance, yeah. We have to make a balance of it.
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the honesty, yeah. Thank you so much. All right. And now I have a video, so let's watch the video together. It's about food, guys. Ada sebuah video tentang makanan, ya. and you have to understand well about the video. You have to answer the question, this one. What is the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal? Yeah, so you can catch the answer from or on the video. Silakan ya teman-teman dicari perbedaannya dan nanti silakan dijawab ya teman-teman. What is the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal? The three of them are related to food. Ketiganya berhubungan dengan makanan ya. Oke, cuisine itu berhubungan dengan makanan. And then dish, it's also related to the food. And also the last one is meal. Yeah, meal is also meal juga berhubungan dengan makanan. So what is the difference of the three of them? On the three, let's watch the video to catch the point and answer. Kita tonton videonya teman-teman ya, dan kita dapatkan jawaban di dalamnya ya. The duration of the video is more than 13 minutes ya guys, but I think I need to stop it in 3 minutes. Ya, 3 menitan aja nanti saya stop ya videonya because it's too long guys, terlalu lama ya, and you need more time right for speaking. So yeah, of course you have to stop it ya. 3 minutes, 3 menitan nanti kita stop dan kita bisa praktek speaking lebih banyak. Okay, let's go to watch it.
You can. Hi, I'm Ollie. Welcome to Oxford Online English. In this lesson, you can learn how to talk about food. You'll see how to talk about different cuisines, talk about food you like or dislike, and talk about cooking and eating habits.
To see more free English lessons, visit our website, oxfordonlineenglish.com. You can also book English classes with our fully qualified teachers who can help you with your English speaking, writing, IELTS preparation, or whatever else you need.
Don't forget to turn on the subtitles for this video if you need them. All our videos have English subtitles. You can turn them on now. Just click the CC button in the bottom right of the video player. On a smartphone, tap the settings icon to turn on subtitles.
What kind of food do you like?
I like a bit of everything, really. I grew up in the UK and you can get food from all over the world there. My mum's cooking is a combination of different cuisines, a bit of French, a bit of Italian, a bit of Indian, and so on.
What's British cuisine like? I know about fish and chips, but there must be more.
There is, but not that much. There are a few famous dishes like shepherd's pie or Sunday roast, but most people eat a mix of things. What about you? What food do you like?
I'm half Spanish, so when I was young, we ate a lot of Mediterranean food at home. Now I live in Berlin, and it's a pretty cosmopolitan place, so you can get all kinds of food, like the UK, I suppose.
I've never really had much Spanish food. Is it similar to Italian?
In some ways, yes. They both use a lot of fresh ingredients, and there's a lot of seafood, salads, and so on. Pasta isn't so common in Spanish cooking, though.
What are some typical Spanish dishes? I'd be interested to try some.
I guess paella is quite well known. My personal favorite is a dish called albondigas, which is meatballs in a tomato sauce. It's simple, but so tasty.
Sounds good.
Here's a question. Do you know the difference between the words cuisine, dish, and meal? Cuisine means the kind of food you find in a specific country or culture. For example, you have Chinese cuisine, French cuisine, local cuisine, and so on. Cuisine means something like cooking style. You can use the word food or cooking in the same way. So you can say Chinese cuisine, Chinese cooking, or Chinese food. The meaning is very close.
A dish means something which is cooked or prepared. Usually, a dish is made from different kinds of food. A meal is food eaten at a specific time. Most people eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We often hear English learners make mistakes with these 3 words, so be careful with them.
In the dialogue, you heard how to talk about different cuisines and dishes which you like. Look at some questions you heard.
Okay, guys, I think it's 3 minutes, right? We need to talk more, So we need time. We need more time to talk, to practice. Okay, so the same question, yeah, still same question. So what is the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal? Raise your hand, guys, ya. Boleh diangkat tangannya, teman-teman. Try to speak. Coba dong dijawab. Even you mix the languages, walaupun bahasanya dicampur-campur, nggak apa-apa. It's okay. Kita sama-sama bahasa Inggris kan setelahnya, ya. Okay, sis Ayin, yeah, I will give the chance for you. So, what do you think? What is the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal?
Thank you, Bro Coco, for the occasion. About the what
Cuisine.
cuisine.
Uh-huh.
About cuisine, it's a food or cooking that specific to a country or a culture. That's cuisine.
Okay.
And about dishes is a food that cook and prepare. While meals is a food that prepare on specific time or specific event.
Okay.
Usually for breakfast or for lunch or for dinner. That's meal.
Okay. Okay. Is it all from you, Sis Ayin?
That's what I get from the video. So thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Very nice understanding and very nice explanation, yeah, from you. Thank you for the nice answer. Okay. Let's see from the other participants or our friends' opinion, yeah. I will give it to Sis Iis then. Hello, Sis Iis. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Good
Sorry,
evening.
I can open my
Your camera, you mean?
yeah, my camera because my video.
It's okay, it's okay. I can understand, I can relate. Okay, Sis Iis, so what do you think? What is the difference of the three here?
Cushion.
Cuisine?
About ciri khas negara, but Chinese food and Japanese food, maybe Indonesian foods and Europe foods, and this about I don't know because sempat saya tinggal tadi, and
Okay.
meals about breakfast, lunch, or dinner, maybe like that.
Okay, then. Okay, so cuisine is from specific country, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, while meal, specific time.
Yeah.
Okay.
About this,
Alright.
I forget.
Okay, for the
Sorry.
dish, you skip, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
It's okay, sister. So after this, we can talk in
Thank
detail,
you.
yeah? Thank you, sis Iis, yeah? Thank you so much. All right, the next one, I want to give it to, who's that? Yang nama Zoom-nya Devanka. Hello. Good evening.
Evening, bro. How
Good
are you today?
evening, bro, Devanka. Yeah, I'm good, bro. How about you, bro?
Pretty good.
Fine. Okay, so bro, what do you think? So what is your answer about the three words here?
Okay, my opinion, food is anything that can be eaten, substance consumed for energy and nutrition. For example, I need to buy some food, and cuisine, meaning a style or tradition of cooking that is characteristic of a particular country, region, or culture. For example, Italian cuisine is known for its pasta and pizza. That's my opinion, bro.
Okay, good. And what about dish, bro?
What, bro?
Dish? How about dish? Yeah. Cuisine, dish, and meal. Do you get the point of it?
Yeah, bro. Sorry,
Okay.
bro.
Okay. Cuisine
My
is
sound
from a
is not
specific country, yeah,
understandable.
bro. From certain or particular country. Okay, how about dish and meal?
Hello, bro.
Okay, I think he has a bit problem, yeah, on the connection. Okay, bro. Yeah, I'm here, bro. Can you hear me, bro? Okay, all right. It's fine. Yeah, maybe the connection, yeah. Okay. But thank you, I really appreciate bro Devanka. So one more, I will give it to bro Zain, as the last one, bro. So what do you think? Do you have an answer for this one?
Okay. What's the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal? Okay, first, cuisine is not just a food. It's a style of cooking that represents a country or culture. For example, Indonesian cuisine is known for its rich spices, while Italian cuisine uses more cheese and herbs. So, cuisine shows the identity and tradition behind the food. And a dish mean one specific type of food that you can eat or find on a menu. For instance, nasi goreng, rendang, or pizza. Each one is a dish. You can say that the cuisine is made up of many dishes. And a meal refers to the time when we eat food like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. During a meal, we usually add several dishes together. So to sum up, cuisine is about culture, this is the food itself, and meal is the moment when we enjoy it.
Okay, very good, bro. That's nice. So dish is something that is prepared beautifully. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with you, bro.
Okay, then noted. Thank you, bro. That's very good. Okay, so yeah, you're right, guys. When we talk about cuisine, apa sih cuisine? Cuisine itu makanan dari from specific country, guys, from specific region, province, or maybe city, that's it. Jadi makanan dari negara atau daerah spesifik, tertentu, itu namanya cuisine. For example, what is Palembang cuisine, guys? What do you think? Palembang cuisine. Yeah, that's mempek, Okay, and how about Indonesian cuisine? Kalau kita bilang Indonesian cuisine, can you mention?
Goreng.
Rendang, nasi goreng.
Fried rice.
Okay.
Semur
Alright.
jengkol.
Okay, nah, that's it. It's also cuisine, We cannot find semur jengkol in UK, right? Kita kan nggak bisa tuh. Dapat di UK. I wanna go to UK to buy semur jengkol, there is no, right? Nggak ada gitu. We call it cuisine, itu namanya cuisine, And then dish, food that is prepared. Makanan yang memang dipersiapkan untuk disajikan, Sometimes it's beautifully served. Disajikan dengan cantik gitu. Itu namanya dish, everybody. Okay, dish. Okay, and then meal. Meal is food for specific time or in specific time. In the morning, we call it breakfast. And then at noon, we call it, what is at noon, guys? Kalau pagi kan breakfast, kalau siang?
Lunch.
How about in the night? We call it
Dinner.
That's it. Okay. So a food can be as cuisine, dish, and meal. Jadi sebuah makanan itu bisa masuk ke cuisine, bisa masuk dish, bisa masuk meal, Tergantung kita menempatkannya, For example, nasi goreng, guys, Is it can be cuisine? Apakah bisa kita nyebut nasi goreng itu cuisine, Indonesian cuisine?
Yes.
Yes, right? And we prepare and we can say it as a dish, yes or no? Bisa juga kita buat dish gitu Okay, if we eat as a dinner, can we say that it's meal?
Yes.
Ya bisa juga Jadi tergantung nih kita penempatannya mau ditaruh ke cuisine kalau dari asalnya or dish kalau penyajiannya, or meal kalau dari waktunya. So they are related to food, guys. Ketiganya berhubungan dengan makanan. Do you understand about the difference of cuisine, dish, and meal, guys?
Yeah, understand.
Very good. Okay, thank you, everybody. Is there any question maybe from you? Ada pertanyaan mungkin, teman-teman?
Ulangi yang di itu apa gimana, bro?
Sorry, gimana sih, Sa?
Yang dish itu gimana? Kan kalau breakfast specific time, kalau cuisine specific country. Kalau dish apa itu tadi?
Food that is prepared, Makanan yang disajikan. Sometimes more than one food. Biasanya lebih dari satu makanan disajikan gitu, Atau kalau memang satu makanan aja boleh, tapi biasanya disajikan dengan cantik gitu ya. Nah, itu namanya dish. Hidangan soalnya ya. Dish itu kan artinya hidangan ya guys. Yes or no?
Oh ya.
Ya, dish itu kan hidangan kan. Berarti memang makanan yang dihidangkan dengan indah gitu ya. That's dish.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Lebih ke
Welcome.
makanan penutup ya. Hidangan penutup dessert itu kan.
No.
No.
Kayak ini
No, no, no.
kayak kalau misalkan ke tempat rumah makan Padang disajikan banyak itu, maybe kayak gitu.
Yeah, it's called dish also. Itu bisa disebut dish juga ya. Tapi kalau kita melihatnya dari sisi asalnya ya, nah berarti itu cuisine namanya ya. Kalau kita makannya karena ini makan malam, berarti itu masuk ke meal.
Oke, thank you.
Okay, then good. Okay, yeah, I think for the 3 questions here, can you cook? Is there any specific cuisine do you like? Do you have any comfort food? We can bring it to the breakout room ya. Nanti kita bawa ke breakout room teman-teman, because the time is very limit ya. Waktunya sangat terbatas, jadi kita belum ke kosakata juga. So let's go to the vocabularies, and then the next you need to bring the 3 questions to the breakout room. Nanti kita bawa ke breakout room. But now there is a box of vocabularies ya. Ini sudah bukan basic one lagi, teman-teman harus praktek di sini dan coba dong kita baca sama-sama ya guys. The first one, ada yang tahu cara bacanya untuk kata yang pertama ini? This is
Culinary.
Alright, yes, yeah. It's not culinary ya, but it's culinary. Culinary is kuliner ya. Do you like doing culinary guys? Do you like doing culinary?
Of course.
Of course.
Okay, culinary ya. Culinary is kuliner. And then the next one, it's easy ya, mudah ya. It's food. Food is makanan ya. Okay, very good ya. Okay, food, makanan. Saya kira it's mudah ya, easy. Pernah ada yang nanya gini ya, food makanan bro, kaki itu juga food kan ya. Kaki food, bener nggak guys? Kaki itu food. Bener nggak guys? Kalau kaki itu food, yes or no?
Food, yes.
Tapi pakai T kan ya?
Pakai T. Ya, pakai T.
Oke. Kalau ditulis kita tahu bro. Kalau gimana kalau ngomong ya tetap bisa dipahami guys. Kalau saya bilang I like the delicious food, gitu. Masa iya saya suka kaki yang lezat kan nggak mungkin ya.
Kaki kambing.
Nah, itu ya. Jadi ya tetap dari konteksnya bisa dipahami guys ya. So I like the delicious food, berarti ya makanan yang lezat. Ya. Food is kaki. Tapi kalau delicious food, nah itu baru makanan ya. Jadi tetap bisa dipahami guys, sekalipun cara bacanya sama ya. It's like, apalagi guys, itu namanya homophone ya. Tapi kalau food sama food enggak sama persis sih. Tapi konteksnya mirip-mirip lah ya kalau didengar gitu. Tapi kalau kita pahami ya tidak jauh beda. Sun anak laki-laki, sun matahari sama nggak cara bacanya guys?
Beda.
Hampir mirip.
Anak laki-laki sama sun matahari.
Beda.
Cara bacanya?
Cara bacanya sama.
Sama gitu. Itu namanya homophone ya guys.
Homophone.
Ya, tapi ya misalnya my son is here, artinya apa guys? My son is here.
Anak laki-laki di
sini. Kan kayak aneh aja matahariku di sini. Nah, what do you mean, bro? Maksudnya gimana nih ya? Jadi dari konteksnya ya. Okay ya, back to the food makanan, and then the next one is
Beverage.
Nah, oke, karena ada S-nya di akhir jadi beverages gitu ya. Beverages. Ya, that's minuman. Tapi minumannya lebih dari satu ya di situ ya, beverages. Ya, it's plural ya, lebih dari satu. Next, gimana tadi bacanya guys untuk katanya? It's cuisine ya, cuisine. It's not cuisine ya, tapi cuisine. Cuisine is hidangan
Hidangan
ya.
khas.
Hidangan khas suatu daerah, suatu negara. Jadi S-nya jadi Z ya, sama kayak kita bilang mudah, bahasa Inggrisnya apa guys? Mudah?
Easy.
Easy kan?
Easy.
Nah, pakai S tapi
Easy.
jadi Z gitu, easy. Kalau kita baca easy, benar nggak easy? Nah, no ya, easy. Begitu juga ini ya, bukan kesin tapi kezin.
Chousin itu bacanya sama nggak beda?
Sorry, gimana sih?
Yang kezin sama yang chousin itu loh Pak. Chousin.
Oh, sepupu.
Ya, beda.
Ah, bukan Chousin, bacanya cousin ya. Cousin. Ya, cousin. Kalau sepupu itu cousin. Kalau hidangan khas bukan cousin tapi apa? Cousin. Ya, cousin. Different ya, beda ya. Cousin sama cousin. That's it. Good. Okay. Itu ya, sister ya. Clear?
Clear. Thank you.
Okay, very good. And then the next one is?
Taste.
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 Taste is rasa ya. Rasa. Okay, taste itu rasa. And then the next one?
Flavor.
Flavor is?
Cita rasa.
Cita rasa. Ada yang tahu perbedaannya apa guys? What is the difference of taste and flavor? You know it?
Cita rasa.
Taste is something that can be tasted by tongue. Ya, rasa itu yang bisa dirasakan oleh lidah ya, kayak asin, pahit, manis. Nah, itu namanya taste. Kalau flavor itu bisa jadi aroma juga ya.
Ada macam-macam gitu ya.
Iya, misalnya ayam bawang, kari. Nah, itu namanya flavor ya. That's called flavor. Itu namanya flavor. Okay? That's it ya. And then, okay, the next is salty. Can you guys? Salty. Salty is?
Asin.
Asin ya, salty is asin. Nah, ini berarti masuk kemana nih? Taste and flavor?
Taste.
Ya, that's taste ya. Taste ya. The next, sweet. Sweet. Manis ya. Sweet. And then the next one, savory. Savory is gurih ya, gurih itu savory. Atau pakai kata lain ya, ada umami. Oh ini nih ada nih, umami. Umami itu sama ya kayak savory, yaitu gurih. Umami, savory, that same, sama gurih. And then the next one, kalau pahit, nah pahit apa nih pahit?
Bitter.
Oke then. Bitter ya, bitter. Kalau teman-teman pakai versi American bacanya bitter gitu ya. Bitter. Kalau versi British bitter. Nanti kalau British yang glottal T jadi gitu ya. Ya, bitter. Ya benar juga ya, gitu. Oke. Jadi bebas ya teman-teman pakai versi apa nih? Pokoknya jangan versi yang terlalu medok jadi bitter gitu, enggak ya guys. It's not bitter. Alright, okay. Singlish nanti juga ada ya. Bitter ya, bitter is pahit. And then next. Spicy is pedas. Okay, spicy is pedas. Okay, spicy pedas ya. And the last one yang terakhir, tasty ya, jangan tasty tapi tasty. Okay, tasty. Alright.
Nah, tasty sama tasty itu bedanya apa?
Kenapa, sister?
Tasty dengan taste tadi.
Oh, it's different of course ya. Kalau tasty itu enak, kalau taste itu rasa ya.
Oh iya.
Nah, kalau rasa itu kan bisa asin, pahit, jadi masih general gitu, masih
Tasty,
umum.
delicious.
Nah, kalau tasty sama delicious itu kata lain aja ya. Apalagi guys selain delicious?
Kalau
Selain
pakai Urdu
delicious.
bisa.
Yummy.
Yummy. Nah, yummy juga bisa juga sih ya untuk
Umami.
bilang enak gitu. Yummy.
Kalau
Oke, jadi boleh
bahasa
tasty,
Inggris ya?
delicious, yummy, it's okay.
Kalau umami itu bahasa Inggris.
Umami bahasa Inggris ya. Umami itu bahasa Inggris teman-teman ya.
Oh.
Oke. Ya, sebenarnya sih itu lebih ke ungkapan ya guys. Kayak teman-teman pernah nggak sih ngerasain sesuatu terus bilang gitu. Pernah nggak? Kalau ditanya arti dari
Maknyus.
itu apa sih guys? Nah, maknyus tuh apa sih? Kan nggak ada juga ya.
Maknyus.
Nah, maknyus tuh apa gitu. Kalau ada orang bule nanya nih misalnya, bro, iya di orang Indonesia tuh kok bilang maknyus ya? Maknyus tuh apa? Pasti kita bingung sendiri ya.
Enak kali mungkin ya kok.
Iya, apa ya maknyus tuh? Di kamus
Enak
nggak
banget
ada
lah.
tuh maknyus.
Anyus, endul gitu.
Nah, itu hanya ungkapan aja kayak
Nggak ada
umami.
base, nggak ada obat.
Oke. Atau mungkin teman-teman pernah nggak dapat ide terus tiba-tiba aha gitu. Pernah nggak?
Ada.
Aha tuh kan nggak ada di kamus ya. Aha tuh apa ya? Nggak ada, itu hanya ekspresi aja. Sama dengan umami guys. Umami itu ketika ada yang ngerasa gurih, enak, kayak oh that's umami gitu. Ya expression ya, ekspresi aja. Gitu ya.
Iya.
Ada lagi teman-teman? Do you have another question?
Not yet.
A chat?
Appetizing.
Bro.
Appetizing? Apa enggak?
Appetizer.
Appetizer mungkin ya. Appetizer itu makanan pembuka ya.
Pembuka.
Ya, appetizer. Oke, mungkin saya teruskan di chat ya. Appetizer. Oke, itu makanan pembuka. Kalau makanan penutup apa guys?
Dessert.
Dessert ya. Oke, itu makanan.
Bro Koko.
Oke, ya.
Kalau dessert makanan penutup sama dessert gurun pasir bacanya gimana? Beda ya?
Kalau gurun pasir itu dessert ya Pak. Dessert. Nah, kalau yang makanan penutup itu S-nya yang double ya guys.
Ya, dessert.
Dessert. Nah,
Dessert.
Double X.
Ya, double S. Tapi kalau yang gurun itu dessert. Itu
Dessert.
S-nya satu. That's it. Oke. Itu ya, tulisannya ada di chat box ya. Bro, oke. Ini ada pertanyaan kalau rasanya Inggris. Kalau rasanya Inggris. Oh, bahasa Inggrisnya rasanya. Rasanya itu apa, guys?
The taste.
The taste. Di basic 1 ada materi articles ya, teman-teman. Articles itu yang an sama the.
Ya.
Ada.
The itu bisa diartikan ini, itu, tersebut, sama nya gitu kan. Jadi kalau the taste ya berarti rasanya.
Rasanya.
Oh. Taste itu rasanya. Iya. Itu untuk tadi si Santi ya. Oke. Maaf izin live. Oke, sister. Bittersweet apa bro? Bittersweet.
Bittersweet
Pahit manis.
Ya pahit manis ya. Mungkin bitter pahit.
By Najla.
Iya, rasa pahit manis gimana ya?
Pahit manis.
Nano.
Right. Tapi
Kopi pahit manis.
Iya, bittersweet. It's bittersweet. Saya baru dengar, tapi bitter itu pahit ya, tapi kalau sweet manis.
Bittersweet by Najla masa baru dengar?
Sorry?
Bittersweet by Najla. Itu kan terkenal.
I
Sorry.
Rokok.
I don't know.
Terkenalnya Bodetabek maybe.
Terlalu familiar karena jarang jajan online.
Iya, saya jarang ya. Saya kadang nitip orang aja. Oke. Right, oke. Maybe bittersweet. Kalau emang itu nama channel ya mungkin ya just a name ya.
Makanan.
Ke kue kan ya?
Iya,
Toko
kue.
kue ya?
Jadi bittersweet itu
Kue ada pahit, ada manisnya berarti itu.
manis.
Gitu
Jadi
ya, the
coklat
mix
itu kan
ya.
rasanya
Itu
bittersweet.
kayak
Iya.
dessert gitu ya, Mbak?
Iya,
Dessert.
Oh, the mix ya. Berarti emang campuran gitu ya,
sejenis kalau
guys.
itu tiramisu tapi itu bittersweet by
Oh,
Najla.
Oh,
Dessert.
Iya.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Right. Okay. That's new insight as well, yeah, for me. Thank you guys. Oke. Penggunaan beverages biasanya dipakai kalau seperti menu di resto kalau nggak salah. Iya, right ya. Bedanya drink sama beverage apa guys? Bedanya kalau drink itu?
Kalau beverage itu macam-macam kayak jus, soft drink.
Ya kalau drink itu minum ya. Kalau
Minum.
beverage
Terus
minuman.
minuman.
Nah, itu sama kayak eat sama food sama nggak guys? Eat sama food.
Beda.
Yes.
Eat makan, food
Oh, eat
makanan.
Food makanan.
Food makanan. That's
Iya.
very good. Okay.
Drinking,
Yeah.
drinking is no koko. Drinking
Yeah,
what?
bro, please.
Meminum.
Meminum. Drinking. Sedang minum.
Kalau drinking ya ing berarti ya minum.
Sedang minum.
Sedang ya berarti.
Sedang minum.
I'm drinking berarti aku sedang
I'm
minum.
drinking, no. Saya sedang minum.
I'm drinking. Itu masuk ke present continuous ya namanya.
Berarti nggak sama sama ini bro. Beverages.
No bro.
Beda.
Kalau drinking kan kata kerja ya, berarti kita melakukan gitu. Tapi kalau beverage itu kata benda, itu minumannya gitu.
Jenis-jenis minuman.
Yes. Oke. Kalimatnya gini guys, misalnya aku meminum minuman. Jadi gimana guys?
I drink.
I'm drinking.
Beverage.
I drink beverage. Nah, kan gitu ya. I drink beverage. Oke.
Jadi kalau ungkapan food and drink itu salah berarti.
Food and beverage.
Oke.
and
Kalau
beverage.
sebenarnya ya guys, sebenarnya
drink.
nih, kalau
Food
kita
and
bicara
drink.
tentang pola yang baik dan benar, itu harusnya food and beverage harusnya. Oke, tapi kalau hanya sekedar saya ngomong kamu paham, kamu ngomong saya paham, ya boleh-boleh aja. Teman-teman
Berarti
tahu
sebenarnya yang itu ya.
biasanya kan ada F&B bisnis kan ya, teman-teman
Iya.
familiar dengan itu ya? F&B itu kan food
Familiar.
and
Food and beverage.
Beverage.
nah itu dia ya, food and beverage kan. Itu sebenarnya yang benar seperti itu ya, cuman
Di
kalau
restoran juga food and beverage sih.
nah harusnya seperti itu. Tapi kalaupun ditulis drink ketika ada orang yang baca dan itu paham ya it's okay, no problem.
Kalau food and beverage itu untuk di mana penempatannya?
Maksudnya di mana penempatannya
Ya
gimana?
kayak misalkan di restoran atau di mana gitu.
Everywhere about the food and
Pesawat
beverage
juga
business.
tuh. Di pesawat.
Apapun
menu
itu ya,
ada.
di restoran, kafe
Iya.
juga ada kan ya F&B.
Ada.
Nah, oke.
Oke.
Dimanapun sister. Pokoknya menyediakan menu. Nah, itu ada food, ada beverage. Ya udah kita tulis food and
Oke,
beverage.
thank you.
Good.
Bro,
Oke guys, clear enough?
Kalau misalkan tanya ya,
Oh silakan.
kan apa itu kita ngomong makanan itu kan tadi kan kalau misalkan apa itu meals kan spesifik untuk waktu. Tapi kalau misalkan kita ngomong food atau meal itu beda nggak sih artinya atau bisa aja, boleh aja gitu loh.
Oke, kalau food itu general, sister ya. Food itu makanan kan, bisa jadi makanan yang dihidangkan, bisa jadi makanan dari suatu daerah, bisa jadi makanan di waktu yang spesifik. Nah, gitu. Itu masih general, masih umum ya, food, sesuatu yang bisa dikonsumsi. Nanti ada cabangnya tuh, ada meal, apalagi tadi guys? Dish, ada cuisine. Nah, itu dia. Jadi food itu masih generalnya gitu, sister. Oke.
Boleh aja ya, maksudnya bisa aja ya kita sebut kayak food, meal gitu.
It's okay. Depend on the context ya. Kita lagi ngomongin apa, boleh-boleh aja. Itu tuh sama aja kayak beverage. Apa aja guys cabangnya kalau beverage minuman? Ada coffee,
soda,
juice. Nah, itu dia. Jadi boleh nggak kita bilangnya cuma beverage? Ya boleh aja, tapi kalau mau spesifik disebutkan tea, coffee, nah seperti itu.
spesifik.
Yes, that's it. Gitu, sis Emilia? Do you understand, sis Emilia? Clear ya.
Bro, kalau kan kayak nyuruh anak les eat your food apa your meals gitu ya benernya ya. Berarti yang your food gitu ya.
Oke, itu bilangnya nyuruh makan apa, sister? Misalnya, sebentar ya guys, wait a moment. Setelah ini kita praktek panjang, oke? Misalnya makan makananmu gitu kan? Ya,
Eat
oke.
your
Kalau
food.
kita mau secara general aja ya langsung aja eat your food gitu aja, eat your food. That's it. Tapi kalau itu makan malam, boleh kita
Eat your
hey come on eat
dinner.
your meal.
Oh,
Gitu.
Oh, it's a meal.
Nah, atau kalau mau lebih spesifik lagi sebutin ya makanannya apa, misalnya fried chicken. Hey come on eat your fried chicken. Gitu. Jadi
Oke.
lebih spesifik lagi. Oke?
Siap. Makasih, Bro.
Welcome, sister. Oke, guys, this is your turn for speaking. Ini waktunya teman-teman untuk speaking ya, seperti yang saya sampaikan kemarin. Today, please tell and promote a specific food that is famous in your hometown.
Okay.
Tell and promote, jadi ceritakan dan promosikan a specific food,
My
makanan
country.
spesifik that is famous yang terkenal di kampung halamanmu. Oke?
Yes.
You can mention the name of the food ya. Silakan nanti disebutkan nama makanannya. Yeah, maybe some points here ya. Name of food. Silakan nanti disebutkan nama makanannya. And then the ingredients if you know ya. Kalau teman-teman tahu bahan-bahannya, so you can mention. And
Kalau
then
apa ya?
maybe in the portion ya, porsinya gimana biasanya ya, is it big portion or small or maybe just standard, and how about the taste, rasanya gimana ya, and then yeah, the other ones ya are the packagingnya gimana guys ya, is it just by what, by paper, pakai kertas gitu kah, or maybe it's in a luxury packaging ya, dibungkus mewah gitu kah, atau makanannya gimana, silakan ya.
Berarti di packing gitu, packaging tuh, Bro.
Yeah. Okay. And the other ones ya.
Portion
I will give you an example guys. Do you know nasi tumpang? It's not tumpeng ya, bukan
Yes.
tumpeng ya, but nasi tumpang.
Nasi tumpeng.
No, not yet.
Yeah, it's not tumpeng ya guys, but tumpang ya.
Yes,
Because I live in Kediri, Java, there is nasi tumpang guys. Okay, the name is nasi tumpang.
Never heard.
And the ingredients are, you know,
Yes,
it's not nasi uduk.
bahan-bahan.
Yeah.
Kalau
Rice,
portion
Sambal tumpang
Recipe.
itu lain.
It's from fermented soybean cake ya guys. Ini dari fermented soybean cake. Jadi dari apa kita bilang ya? Iya,
Kedelai
dari tempe yang dibusukkan
yang
gitu
udah
guys.
iya semangit.
Iya,
Tempe semangit.
tempe yang dibusukkan gitu. Ya memang gitu ya. But it's very tasty guys. It's very delicious.
Yes.
Not oncom.
Delicious.
Sarapan
that's
di
it.
kampung saya, Bro.
Really? Oh,
Bro,
Sambal
that's good.
kalau
tumpang.
portion apa portion tuh
Portion
kayak
itu porsinya. Kalau kita beli
Oh,
gimana porsinya banyak nggak? Gitu. Ya, in my place guys, you can get the nasi tumpang. It's only 5,000 rupiah ya. Only 5,000 rupiah. And the portion is big. Porsinya banyak tuh ya. The taste is tasty and it's spicy guys ya. It's savory,
Yes.
spicy. Yeah. The packaging you can eat ya just on a plate, or maybe if you take away kalau dibungkus ya, it will be covered by just paper guys. Sometimes the paper on the newspaper. Kadang dibungkus pakai
banana leaf.
bungkus koran ya, banana leaves ya, that's it. Okay, and it's very special guys ya. So it's very cheap
Bro.
and
Sip,
that's amazing.
delicious.
Mr. Bro, bagaimana cara baca lengkuas ya dalam in English ya? Cara bacanya ya. Kalangan. Lihat di kamus kan kalangan ya. Cara bacanya gimana ya?
Okay, I try to see first ya. Lengkuas ya.
Iya. Galangan.
Galangal.
In English.
Galangal. Yeah, galangal. It's not galangal ya, but galangal. Galangal. That's it.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay ya, you have time around 15 minutes guys ya, 15 menitan buat teman-teman, so you can tell and promote. And if you still have a time, nanti ya kalau masih ada waktu, bisa 3 pertanyaan ini dibawa ke breakout room. Can you cook? Is there any specific cuisine you like, or do you have any comfort food? But it's optional ya. Ini optional aja kalau teman-teman masih ada waktu. Tapi kalau tidak ya ke sini tadi, it's okay. Are you ready guys for telling about the specific food that is famous in your hometown?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, take turn ya. Silakan nanti bergantian. A room just consists of 3 to 4 participants. So you need to speak maybe one person around maximum 5 minutes ya. Okay, let's go. Have a nice practicing. Enjoy your promotion guys ya. Good luck to all of us.
Hey, bro, Paiman.
Yes, I am Michael. Michael, this evening
Aku terlempar dari grup nih. Ini ada berapa?
I late again because at home rain.
Okay.
There's
Yo,
no rain.
let's join the group, the breakout room.
No, maybe no. I'm late. Michael, halo.
Sorry, jaringan lagi bad banget nih. Sorry.
Oh ya, sama. Di sini in here, the connection is bad.
Iya, bandwidth rendah dari tadi.
At my home rain.
Oh, ini bukan rain tapi gimana ya? Petir-petir gitu ya. Oke.
Who is this? You Vita Diana. Okay.
Iya, hello Bro Paiman.
Saya terlambat tadi dua kali terlambat terus ini. Any something the job. Jadi ini kita nggak ikut break out room ya?
Nggak tahu Bro Paiman terlempar dari break room kayaknya.
Iya, tadi nggak sempat klik
Nah,
sambil
itu dia.
ngerjain
Iya.
sambil ngerjain PR.
Ini jaringan.
Bro Michael.
Ini 9 kita di bedroom ini ya. Bro Paiman.
Iya, siapa aja ya? Ya, saya tengok.
Bro Paiman.
Yes, I'm here.
Where is you from?
I'm from Medan, sis.
Medan.
Not Sumatera.
North Sumatra. I'm West Sumatra. Bika Ambon.
Oh yes, in Medan is favorite Bika Ambon. Bika Ambon, and in my little town Dodol. Dodol Pasar Bengkel.
Dodol Pasar Bengkel.
You can call me Pai. My friend always call me Pai.
You call me Pai. Pai.
My friend from the in school in SMP, junior school ya.
Oh, how
School.
student?
Dulu teman-teman manggil saya Pai sampai sekarang gitu.
Pai.
I am a farmer.
Oh yeah.
I am also entrepreneur, a little entrepreneur.
Yes, very good.
But
Success.
this evening I'm not open camera. Usually I'm always open camera.
Yeah, okay.
Never mind. Where are you from, sis? Sumatera Barat. Halo.
Yes.
Hello.
Hmm.
Sorry guys, I'm late.
Yes, it's
I just
okay.
I just
Okay.
join.
Hmm.
For this meeting, we talk about what?
Culinaire.
Culinaire.
Culinary.
Culinary.
Oh, okay.
Promosi ya, promote culinary about your country, yes, specific. Oh my God, bagus sekali sinyalnya. Okay, hello friends.
Hi,
Hello.
partner.
Yeah, who the first promote your specific food in your town?
I think you first. You can tell and promote a specific food that is famous in your hometown.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm from West Sumatra, so maybe my specific food is famous ya, very famous ya. This name is rendang.
Oh,
Yes.
rendang.
Yes, I
Rendang
know.
and
I'm from West Sumatra too, but I live in Batam.
Oh, Batam. Okay. So
rendang and keripik sanjay.
yes,
Keripik sanjay.
rendang and keripik sanjay, keripik balado.
Keripik balado.
Ingredient the first yang paling yang utamanya tuh beef. Yes.
Yes.
Coconuts.
Coconut milk.
Iya, coconutnya yang bagusnya yang asinnya langsung kita yang parut
Ya.
gitu ya.
Yang tua ya, gitu rendang.
Iya, the all.
The
Kemudian ingredient the other yang lainnya like coriander powder, ketumbar ya.
Yeah, see.
Lemongrass like serai.
Oh, serai, yes, I see.
Turmeric, apa kalau lengkuas tadi galagal. Galagal. Ginger,
yes,
chili, red chili pepper, kemudian and then maybe bay leaf. Do you know bay leaf?
Daun salam.
Yes, daun salam. Cumin. Do you know cumin? Jintan.
Oh, jintan, yes.
Pakai jintan and then water, sugar, onion, garlic. This is this all is an ingredient for make rendang. Nah.
So how long will you take the?
Rendang if maybe if the rendang is good, biar bertahan lama, is long to time. make rendang, maybe we need for time.
For
Horse, yeah, for horse.
4 hours.
Yeah, we use the woody, pakai kayu
Yes,
bakar
kayu.
gitu. So we make the very long ya, for very long time. But bit apinya tuh kecil gitu.
Okay.
Rendang is famous internasional ya.
Yes, very famous.
Very famous. Do you often make a rendang, Miss Dewi?
Yes. I often make rendang.
But if we make rendang only abal-abal, rendang abal-abal gitu kalau ya.
Yes.
Karena we make pakai kompor ya.
Yes, rendang abal-abal.
Nah, tapi kalau the famous rendang, we make use woody, so we use a long time.
Yes.
Coconut diparut sendiri, bukan oilnya yang dibeli, bukan santan yang dibeli gitu ya.
Yeah, but I usually make rendang by using kara, you know.
Yeah, yes, I know kara, santan kara ya. Practice. Yes kan, practice.
Yes, practice. And I think Bro Paiman, you can tell and promote a specific food that is famous in your hometown.
Aduh, pinter-pinter banget teman-teman ini. Okay, I want try the specific apa tadi? The food
Specific food.
In my country.
Your hometown. I mean, and West North Sumatra maybe.
Bika Ambon and Dodol. Ingredients from flavor ketan pulut, tepung pulut ya.
Nasi ketan gitu ya, beras ketan.
Iya, dodolnya terbuat dari
beras ketan.
Tepung ketan. Tapi yang beras tepung ketan. Sugar, usually we use red sugar.
After mix
merah.
ya.
Sometimes in the mix with durians supaya aromanya aroma.
Iya, aroma durian.
Bika Ambon, Bika Ambon is very favorite.
Yes.
Usually.
Famous juga ya.
Yes.
I think enough. Soalnya kalau bahan-bahannya kalau Bika Ambon saya kurang paham itu. About harga apa ya? Harga ya?
Price.
Bika Ambon
expensive or cheap?
Little side about 40,000 rupiah.
Wow. I see.
Big size 80,000 rupiah.
Rendang is cheap ya. Expensive. Rendang is expensive.
Rendang is very expensive.
Yeah, very expensive. 1 kilogram maybe 2,000.
2,000?
No,
200,000.
200,000.
200,000.
More than 200,000.
Yeah, 1 kilo beef ya. Rendang ukurannya tuh beef. How much beef? If half beef, maybe 100,000. 1 kilogram beef price 200,000.
Because the meat is expensive. Bahannya kan dagingnya sudah mahal ya.
Okay.
Wow.
You make us hungry ya.
Yes, make me hungry.
All right, okay. But I have to say sorry, guys. I have to bring you back to the main session, ya. Saya kembalikan ke main session because the time is very limit.
Okay,
But
thank
have you
you.
finished, guys? All of you, or maybe still running?
Finish.
Finish, ya?
I have finished.
Finish. Aku Bro
Finish,
Koko.
bro.
All right, maybe one or two of you ya, maybe went in the room, went out ya. Tadi ada 1-2 teman-teman yang terlempar ke room yang lain ya. Please
Iya.
make sure, pastikan teman-teman koneksinya oke. Kalau di breakout room butuh koneksi yang stabil ya. Atau kalau teman-teman koneksinya stabil, tapi masih terlempar juga, itu berarti Zoom-nya perlu diupdate ya. Nanti silakan diupdate Zoom-nya ke Google di Google Store atau Play Store ya. Oke.
Waktunya kurang lama.
Waktunya kurang lama, oke, so sorry bro. Kemarin pertemuan pertama 10 menit, hari ini 15 menit, next bisa 20 menit, 25 gitu ya. Nah, dan seterusnya.
Our source-nya.
Nah, pokoknya jangan sampai 1 jam, soalnya kalau 1 jam nanti, halo guys, saya mulai kelas kita langsung ke breakout room ya guys.
Ya.
1 jam khusus buat Pak Haji Abdul Halim aja deh.
Right. Okay then, ya. It's okay guys, ya. So what traditional food ya, or famous food that you promoted to your friends guys? Apa tadi makanan yang teman-teman promosi?
Tempoyak.
Oke. I see.
Cocol enak.
Kalau emang makanan itu khas Indonesia, tidak perlu dibahasa Inggriskan ya teman-teman ya. Oke.
Oke.
Kalau seblak ya nggak ada terus bahasa Inggrisnya. Ada seblak itu. Terus
jadi seblek.
Nah, that's it. Ayam. Saya pernah tuh ada yang bilang tentang ayam geprek gitu. Katanya chicken smackdown gitu. Ya guys. Chicken smackdown itu apa ya?
Obat tapioka, rokoko, or sagu.
Sorry, sister?
Obat tepung tapioka in English or sagu.
Sagu still sagu. Sagu, oke itu sagu. Tapi
kalau mie godok Jawa apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya?
Mie godok Jawa.
Ya, mie godok Jawa.
Javanese instant noodle ya, kita bilang Javanese instant noodle.
Bro, kalau ketoprak apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Ketoprak tetap ketoprak ya.
Jadi ayam.
Bro Koko,
Nggak bisa jadi ketoprak gitu, nggak bisa ketoprak gitu.
You know soda?
Sorry?
Sodo.
Sodo itu makanan khasnya Cinta Laura ya. Sodo.
Ya, Cinta Laura.
Gula batu.
Bakso.
Bro Koko, can I ask something?
Sure, bro, sure. Go ahead.
How spell say floor tepung and floor lantai itu?
Oh, kalau tepung itu, kalau lantai itu floor ya bro. Floor. Kalau tepung itu flower. That's it, flower. Nanti hampir mirip dengan bunga juga, flower. Ya, tapi lagi-lagi tergantung kalimatnya ya teman-teman. I sweep the floor. Artinya apa guys?
Saya menyapu
lantai.
Good, kan nggak mungkin saya menyapu tepung di Veneo ya. Okay. Nah, jadi tergantung kalimat. Itu bro Ricky ya.
Floor.
Oke, floor. Thank you so much guys ya. You make
bubur Manado apa di Inggrisin?
Bubur Manado.
Manado porridge.
Kalau memang bisa di bahasa Inggris kan bahasa Inggris kan, tapi kalau nggak bisa nggak perlu dipaksakan ya guys.
Manado aja berarti.
Oke bro.
That's it. Bahkan orang bule ketika bilang bubur Manado itu ya bubur Manado gitu ya. Itu baru dijelaskan. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for today ya. Speak and speak ya every day. Thank you so much. Next time lebih banyak lagi untuk waktu di breakout room. Saya janji ya, I promise everybody.
Okay, bro.
Thank you for today. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Salam. See you.
Sis. Sesria Shanturi, can you hear me?
Masya Allah, Pak Iman.
Where are you from?
I'm from Medan, but I live in Batam.